Pumpkin King art, fan art, and prop replicas. As you can see here today, this is a diorama that is fully complete with a custom base. This particular diorama is of the farmhouse from the 1990 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle film. So this is going to be a build series of how we got to this point, which should give you some basics on how to do diorama building and some basic electronics work to add a little additional life to your dioramas or your models, whatever your hobby may be that you're interested in. Alright, so let's get on with the build. Episode 1, Custom Base Assembly. As you can see, I've got everything cut, mitered, and drilled, and routed. Now I'm just trying to get the thing put together, my custom base for my diorama display. These clamps come in handy if you're doing a 90-degree miter. Just need to get me another set. I need 4 instead of 2. Alright, now to give this some time to dry so I can work on the spinal corner here and put the middle brace piece in. need something really small to make it thick enough to make a bond. So I found a piece of thin popsicle stick. Gap was just too big this way, wasn't catching enough. Slipped right back out. Alright, so I finally got the base fully assembled and test fitting the aquarium on top. So it seems to be working out pretty well. The next step is going to be to paint the base. I have fully attached the bottom part of the base, but I'm leaving the top part of the base loose so I can get back down in here and do my wiring. And I'm going to have to make some measurements on the top part of the base to decide how big my diorama can possibly be without it touching the aquarium. I'll be running all my wiring on this side. This side's going to be empty. Put an extra stability bar in the middle. I'll have to draw out some lines on this. The maximum size of my diorama. I'm going to paint all the bottom here black. I think that goes good with the styling of the Tmnt 1990, and then it'll match the rest of the aquarium. Alright, in the words of the Rolling Stones, I want to paint it black. The thing about black paint is, generally, usually doesn't take no more than 1 or 2 coats. After about 15 minutes of painting, Alright, I think let it dry for a little bit. And then flip it over and paint around the bottom edges, and then double check, make sure, see if it needs any more touch-ups. Alright, it's still looking good, still fitting pretty well. Black on black looks good. I might have to put a finish on this of some kind. It seems like the black paint's starting to scuff a little bit, so I might have to repaint it and put a finish on it. But yeah, what I'm going to do right now is going to try to figure out, because there's a little bit of a lip on the aquarium, how far I can actually, how my workspace size is going to be in here. And I think I'm going to try and draw about a 1/2 inch line in there and see if that matches up. Yep, looks about dead on. Alright. Draw the rest of the pattern out. Alright, so I know I've got my rectangle drawn, a ½ inch in, so I know this is the space that I can work in. I'll not be able to work in this space here. I have to keep that clear for the lip of the aquarium going on top. Alright, looks good. Please join us for episode 2, diorama planning and prep work. Please like, subscribe, comment, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and DeviantArt. Have a blessed day.